January brings a new year, new beginnings, and new trends, which is why I put together today's video to give you over 50 video ideas to make in January that will be sure to blow up your channel in 2021 and start your YouTube growth off the right way.
Thanks for helping us build this community. I really appreciate it. Today's shout out winner goes to this channel right here. And if you would like a shout out in our next video, make sure to comment down below or take a screenshot of you watching this one and tag us over on Instagram.
All right, planning, cleaning, and getting healthier, just some of the trends that happen every single January, and this video idea is going to have a ton of ideas for anyone, no matter what niche you're in. And we're starting with those New Year's resolutions for video idea number 1. So the first thing I have is New Year's resolution idea. So this is where you're going to actually give them some ideas to put on their New Year's resolution list. You can also make a why New Year's resolutions doesn't work. Everybody loves to see the other side of the coin, so giving them a reason of why it doesn't work and maybe giving them an opportunity to see what works instead will help them out for sure. Which brings me to what to do instead of New Year's resolution. All right, and then we also have a things to do before 2021. Although I know I'm putting this video out a little late, and so by the time you're seeing this or you're making your videos, it may already be January and we're already in 2021. So you can definitely do a version of this, which is like things to do in 2021 or the first things to do in 2021. And then as a little bonus, something that really helps you rank and search and get more views is if you add an identifier. So for example, you could do things to do before 2021 to attract more money or reach your goals or whatever it is that's going to make that person want to click on your video. All right, so the next thing we're going to do is what to declutter before 2021. All right, some other trends in January are going to be habits to simplify your life in 2021. We have things to learn in 2021. Plan with me 2021. The planning community is always really big, especially this time of year. We just went through a year of having the most chaotic 2020 ever, and people are ready to get back into action, get back into routine. So planning videos, if you do those style videos, I do predict those are going to be on the rise and definitely going to be a trending niche in 2021. All right, we also have a 2021 bullet journal setup. You also have a 2021 vision board. So you can either do this where you're taking the person along and you're doing your vision board, or you're teaching them how to set up their own vision board. And you can do this in like paper or actual physical or digital as well. All right, going back to that planning niche, how to use your planner in 2021 is going to be a big video for you guys. Also have best digital planners for 2021. You also have a top 5 daily planners. Again, we're having new people come into this niche that don't really know how to use a planner. I'm one of those. So I'm definitely looking up how to use planners or what the best planner is going to be. So if you have those, planners for beginner type videos are going to do great. All right, next one is kind of the same, but we're going to talk about money. A lot of us, especially after the holidays, are always looking for ways to budget our money, which is why how to budget your money for 2021 is going to be a big video. All right, you have how to pay off debt on a low income. A lot of people saw a decrease in their income this last year, so definitely doing it on a low income is going to help them out and help you get more views. Best online bank accounts in 2021. All right, so this next one is how I lost 20 pounds in a month, but honestly it's just how I lost whatever amount of weight in a month. So if you've lost 30 pounds, 40 pounds, 50 pounds, again, it's kind of a story time tips. You're talking to people, and this is really good if you're on a fitness journey. You don't have to be an expert in this field, but if you're taking us along your fitness journey and you want to motivate others to do the same, how I lost 20 pounds in a month or however many pounds in a month is definitely going to be a big video for you. All right, the next one is what I eat in a day, intermittent fasting. And honestly, all what I eat in a day do well. The key to a successful what I eat in a day though is making sure you have that identifier. So example, intermittent fasting is that identifier. You can even do keto if you're vegetarian, maybe if you're doing pescatarian, whatever the diet is. Or for me, I do these videos on my main channel and I do what my breastfeeding toddler and I eat in a day, because a lot of breastfeeding moms want to know how to nourish their bodies and their little ones. So definitely having that lifestyle identifier is going to help your what I eat in a day videos take off and get even more views. All right, going on some of those Chloe Ting trends on I tried Chloe Ting's 2-week workout videos. Something that's really big is how to lose thigh fat fast. You also have a get slim waist fast. You also have apple cider vinegar for weight loss, so you can do like recipes or how you use apple cider vinegar to lose weight. Lose belly fat fast. Again, you can even do like a what I eat in a day to lose belly fat, whatever it is, but lose belly fat fast videos are going to be good. And then how to organize and reset your life in 2021. So if you are a fan like I am of Kaylin Nicholson, she has a lot of gist videos, which is get your shit together, and I absolutely love them. She usually usually does like a Sunday reset. So just doing a reset after the holidays is really good. People are looking for ways to reset, get back into routines, get back into the swing of things. So if you can motivate them or give them tips on how to do that, they are going to love your channel, and again, your videos are going to most likely blow up. All right, and for more of my productivity lifestyle vloggers out there, you have a daily productivity hacks video. Also, you have routines you need in 2021. Although routine videos do really well. So for example, the next couple of routines are actually going to be really competitive, but there is a way to lower the competition because these are really highly searched, and those are morning routines for 2021. So the way you're going to lower those is to make sure that you have something like productive 2021 morning routine or back to school 2021 morning routine. Early morning, you can even put the time 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. 2021 morning routine, and also a mindful 2021 morning routine. And of course, there are also night routines. So it'll be 2021 night routine, and you're gonna wanna do the same thing. So for example, you can do school night routine, peaceful night routine, or even a millionaire night routine. Those do really well. And if you're not a millionaire, something that does well are I tried videos. So you can do a I tried a millionaire night routine. All right, and honestly, routines are just really big in January, but something that I noticed is doing type of product routines are good if you say are not monetized on YouTube, you're not a part of the YouTube partner program, but you want to find ways to monetize your channel. Affiliate marketing is going to be great for that. And these routines are perfect to increase your affiliate marketing because what you do is you add the links from either Amazon, Carousel, Reward Style, or any other affiliate program you're a part of. And when you're showing it and explaining it, the person can go to your description box, click on the link, and make a purchase, which then gives you a small commission. So for this, I found a winter evening camper routine. You also have a spa night routine. You also have a shower routine. Those seem to be really big in the lifestyle college space. You have a 2021 wash day routine, which if you have curly hair, these are huge. And then of course, a self-care routine. All right, so the next category is gonna be for all of my organizers out there. Those are those cleaning, decluttering videos. And the first one's gonna be decorating trends to avoid in 2021. You also have the best decorating trends of 2021. So it's just the opposite of that first video. Something that's huge or closet organization hack, lazy people hacks for a clean home, kitchen organization ideas, budget-friendly storage ideas, how to organize holiday decorations. All right, you also have a storage bin organization hack. All right, and then the last one is a Dollar Tree organization hacks. I see a lot of these used in like pantries and bathrooms, and those videos do amazing. All right, and last, I know a lot of lifestyle vloggers or lifestyle niches do some social media videos, and so the first one is going to be what is Clubhouse. And if you have no idea what Clubhouse is, you are living under a rock, or you're an Android user like me, because we're not cool enough to be invited to Clubhouse. But honestly, you guys, any Clubhouse related app video is going to do well because Clubhouse is the next big thing. It's almost like the next TikTok right now. So if you can make a video on it and talk about it, you are gonna definitely blow up your channel, you guys. Okay, something else that is really big are Instagram photos. So how to post for Instagram photos, how to edit your Instagram photos like a pro. All right, and the last video idea is something that definitely helped me out, and it helped me increase my views by over 200% in November, and that are these video ideas. A lot of people just like to see video ideas because it's a lot of planning to do the research out there. So if you can give them more ideas to create videos for YouTube, or even like Reels or IGTVs or anything like that, any ideas video is going to be good for you. So definitely do one of those as well. All right, but let me know in the comments below what niche you're in and what trends you usually see in January. And for more simple strategies to grow on YouTube, you can go ahead and check out this video here. I'll also have it down in the pinned comments below. Now get out there, make some content, and let's grow together.